Hello, beautiful people. Thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making a corned beef sandwich with a side of coleslaw. Let's get started. Here I have a coleslaw blend. Into that I'm going to add some kale and some red onion. Open here. Pretty easy. Just going to add some into my bowl. I don't need a whole lot. That should do it. Take those big pieces out. And cut the stem out of this kale. Enough right there. I'm going to chop this up just a little bit finer. Put it on in there. We're going to julienne cut the red onion because I don't want big chunks. I just want just a little. Strings, I guess you can call it. The correct name for it is so julienne. Julienne. And it depends on you how much onion that you want in there, if you want onion at all. Yeah. See, I'm going to show you again. Going to get them in there. Get in there. Just a little more. Okay, that is fine. And I have some coleslaw dressing. Use your favorites. And a little at a time, because you don't want your slaw to be soupy or runny or too loose. I don't anyway, you know. It really depends on you. A little more. I mean some more. I don't think it'll take very much. See, I'm going to add more. Alright. That's plenty. Because as it sits, it's going to loosen up. Okay. We have that mixed well. I'm going to sit this in the fridge and we're going to get started on our sandwich. Okay, I'm using some naan bread. Naan, I don't know how you pronounce it. All I know is that it's delicious. And I have two pieces here. I'm just going to wipe a little bit of butter on both sides. We're just going to heat it up. Doesn't take long at all. Gonna heat one side and then flip it over. Stay close because you don't want it to burn. You're just warming it up. About a minute or so on each side. And this is really quick. After you get all your ingredients, it doesn't take any time at all. You'll see. That's it. See how nice that is? Just nice and warmed up. Toasted just a little bit. Gonna put that there. Turn your pan down. Let it cool down. I have some corned beef that I had cut at the deli at Meijer, and this is the Meijer brand. As a matter of fact, I think this is the only brand of corned beef, deli corned beef that they have. So what I'm going to do is, you see, I kind of like this with the, it has a little fat in it. So I'm going to take a few pieces. Let me put my water in first, sorry. I'm going to add a little water. And turn that down. Two. 3. Do about 5. 4. 5 should do it. And a couple pieces. Add some baby Swiss. I'm going to let this steam for about a minute or so by itself first. It's been about a minute. Now I'm going to add my cheese. And of course you add as much as you like. 2 pieces is good for me. Okay, and here I have some kale that I steamed for about 2 minutes. I add a little bit of salt just to break it down, you know, because it can really be tough. I'll show you the difference. See how this is and see how this is. It's softened up a little bit. Makes it a little more edible. You want to add this on the top. Corned beef and kale taste good together. I'm going to steam this for about a minute or so. Alright, that's been about a minute. Yum, yum, yum. Uh-oh. If you can see it. See the cheese? I could have added more, but that's fine. I'm going to put some of this delicious, delicious Cole Slaw here. Do you see? It's really good too. It's really good. This here. Ooh. My knife. First, I want you to see it before I cut it. Let's see. You like pickles? I love pickles. And a few on here. Scoot over. I eat pickles all the time. let you do it for that. Now here comes the best part. I am going to taste it. Yum. Let's see. Now you can add any condiments that you want. I usually like mustard, or I can do without it. As you can see, you can add some mayo, some Russian dressing. You can even add some sauerkraut on top of here. I'm going to bite this. Gonna eat some of this Cole Slaw. Bite my pickle. These pickles aren't as good as I would like them to be. It's hard to find some good pickles now. I don't know what's going on. Are they making them too fast or what? I don't know. But these aren't that good. But the sandwich and the coleslaw is delicious. And also I like to acknowledge Cicely Tyson. She passed away. But she had a long and prosperous life. 96 years. Beautiful. My father passed at 93. So, rest in peace, Cicely Tyson. Well, thanks for hanging out. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. Hey, I love you. You. I really do. Make you a sandwich. Make you a corned beef sandwich. You won't regret it. Later.